western and east central Iowa. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight for northwestern Illinois. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for central Dane County in south central Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., thunderstorm producing a tornado was located over Verona, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Waunakee, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Windsor, Marshall, Cottage Grove, Cross Plains, Deerfield, Shorewood Hills, Maple Bluff, Deonsville, Camp Randall Stadium, Paoli, and Pine Bluff. People attending Bradfest in Madison should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following location: Wisconsin State Capitol. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.